working behind the plow, you'll wait for him, he'll get his line, his grid line, he'll back up to you, and then we'll run through what you do from there and how to connect it, crumb the hole, etc. So sometimes if you work behind the plow, because the digger guy and the guy that's probing and cutting the hole into the main, putting that red fittings in, as they move along, the ground will start falling in if there's water, if it's moist, and then like that our fitting is covered in dirt, so we need to clean that out before we can put that in. So we just clean that hole out. As you can just lift that pipe, Nathan. So as you can see, the water is immediately draining into our tie line. So this dirt, like you saw on the previous cut, fell in, caves in. So we just want to clean it out before we stick our towel into that fitting there. Make sure the angles are right, the water is draining nicely. As you can see, it's running down. Always want to feel inside, check inside if there's any mud or anything that can block that line.
Any snakes?
Yeah, that's right, raccoons. And as you can see in there, I don't know, maybe there's water already running through this entire line. That means we did a good job. So he's going to back in, lower it. He's going to get his depth and his angle, his pitch. So what you want to do is when he'll lower it, he'll turn it towards you. He'll keep lowering it. Just keep an eye that he doesn't smash your fittings or anything. And then as soon as he gets all these angles and stuff, you want to lift this handle up, and that towel will start feeding. You need to grab it and pull on it. Stay still. Alrighty, I got it. Then you keep walking it down. Can you see how that plow makes a nice groove? So you just keep walking it down until he's in the grout. And then old Jeb's over there will cut it for us and put it in. So you always want to pull a little bit more over that fitting, so just make sure you have enough, because if you are short, we're gonna be kind of screwed. The tie line in our fitting, this is what we call when we're crumbing. So you stand on top of the tile and just get all the loose dirt, just so there's some weight on it, so it doesn't lift up and change the angles. And then the skid steer will come and they'll just push most of the dirt on top of that. So this is just to keep it, basically. You stand on it, keep walking on it, just to have some weight on it so it stays in place.